Hello. Now we will see about how to do grid options in Bootstrap. Grid options. So before going to know about grid, so what are all the possible values for the grid? So grid extra small, you can say like extra small, we will call the value or class. We can say like class extra small, we will call it as XS, and small we will call as SM. We can use the class name is SM. And medium, it is easy to remember, MD. Medium shortcut form is MD. That is the class name we are going to use in grid preparation. And large means LG. We can say LG. And extra large. Extra large, we can say XL. XL. And extra large. So extra large, we can say XL. So using this XXL, using this, how we are going to prepare grid. So let us go to our example. It is our hello world, and go live. You click the live server, it will go as go live, and it is the hello world. Now using this grid options, we can prepare grid, some grids. So div container is we have to prepare. So whenever we prepare some grid, first we need to take container. Next we need to take row. Next we need to take column. Inside column some busy classes. So let us take div container. Container. Click this one. Next, as I said, div row. You can take row and click. Next, div col 3 and 4 columns we can use. So 4 columns we got it. Now inside this div 4 columns we got it, and we can say like a div busy color. Busy color you can select secondary and text color white, and text center you can give like this, and here you can type column 1. So copy paste into next div, column 2, column 3, column 4. So just check 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 grids, 4 columns. See, we got it. And no need to refresh, it is already live server. Okay, if it is not in live server, we can refresh, the change will appear and you can inspect it. If you are inspecting here, you can see these 3 columns, and it would be fitting for the any kind of mobile or any lower versions also. So let us add SM, large, medium, this grid option, so we can try. So suppose we can try some grid options. So here call 3 we are doing. So I am putting MD. MD means medium. Medium 3 and medium 3 and medium 3, and go and see how it is looking. Now if you are taking this view source, inspect it again. See, This one is like cumbersome. It is merged each other. If it is going in a small screen, it is merged. So let us fix this. Add this. Here you can add call and MD. So SM we can use. SM4. You can use as SM4. So that small also it will look fine. For small screens also it will look fine. Now you can see. Now here if you see, it is merged. 3 rows, two rows and 3 columns. It is merged. For this one we need to fix it. So for this we have to come here and MB bottom margin you can give as MB3, so that merged one will be separated. MB3. Then go and verify. See, it is perfectly looking. Now whatever this screen, if you go here, it will be, even if you merge also it looks fine. However you want to look, it will be looking fine. This is how you can prepare the grid. So we have a grid values. So far I have used MD as one class, SMS another class, and bottom margin I have used. So this is how grids we can prepare. So grid values, other values also we can practice, and you can practice, you will be able to understand. So what we have done, first we have given as a container. Shortcut you can give like a div dot container. The shortcut div dot container and enter, you will get it. Div dot row, you will get that shortcut. Div dot call, you will get that shortcut key. So this is how grids we can prepare. And here how I selected BG secondary. Suppose you go to W3 schools and you can pick the colors. From here I picked the color. So W3 schools, this color, suppose primary, if you want to give primary, so you can give as primary, color will change, primary. Go and verify whether your example changed or not. See, color has been changed. Suppose primary I have given, secondary I have given. Suppose danger, column 4 I want to define as a danger class. So here, if you go here, danger class, then you come here danger. This is the class name of the danger. So if you visit the W3 schools, you will get this kind of colors. Whichever the color you want, you can pick it. So suppose if I want to keep all or primary, all grids you want to make it as primary, you can make it. See how it is changing. It looks fine, right? With this color, it looks fine. So whichever the color you want, you can visit W3 schools and you will get the class name. So primary, secondary, danger, and likewise many classes will be there. You can just replace based on your interest. So this is how it looks, and this grid will be looking for primary screens or major screens or small screens. It looks fine. And for searching here, you can inspect, and for mobile you can select here. So this will be a mobile look, and desktop you can change. It will be changed to desktop model. So this is how we have to prepare the grids.